Welcome to a very special edition of the Radical Job Shop Show, Chairlift Conversations. I'm your host, Emily Wilkins, founder of Marketing Metal, the anti-agency that helps small shops leave the boring behind and magnetize their perfect prospects. You know that I love skiing. So when Al Watmo told me about the Machining Summit on the Summit and asked me to record these conversations, it was an immediate hell yes. I am finally here at Mammoth Mountain, California, with about 400 others who love this industry. And I am psyched to bring you up with me so you can eavesdrop on my conversations, because riding up the mountainside with someone you've never met before with an epic backdrop that expands your perspective, you never know what you're gonna hear. So let's get radical.
Sales guys do we have?
Sales?
Yeah, it's not that much hot air there.
A couple of us.
Sales, marketing, engineering, HR.
All the things.
Where are you at? I run a freelance engineering company, so it's just me. Yep.
Sales when necessary.
Yeah.
I guess this one.
Oh, there you go.
What do you do?
Nice.
So I'm on the customer success team at Toolpath. So.
Okay.
Yep. Adoption, onboarding, support.
Yeah, he's
you
my
name
guy.
it. Yeah, I'm Dave's guy.
Yeah.
Help
So
Dave.
we got to get you guys all minion t-shirts, say Al's minions.
Yeah.
You get us all cowboy hats, maybe.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right. There you go. Maybe next year, yeah. You guys will graduate to the cowboy hats. That'd be
We'll have
sweet.
to earn those.
Apparently you just got to join his Bible study.
Yeah.
That is the move. Yeah.
And what do you do?
Have a shop in Berkeley, California. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
What do you do?
Just quick turn, a lot of software and automation. We're trying to bring it to the next step. We hope. We
Pretty
think.
cool what he's doing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
thank
that's
you.
awesome.
I want to hear more. Tell us more.
It's just there's a lot of friction. We want to get rid of friction. Literally, wherever it is, we just evaporate it where we can.
How many people do you have?
We have 4, and we have a software guy on board as well. So I think that's the key differentiator. Is literally my business partner is software first,
Okay.
and he's machining second. So he's actually learning how to do all this stuff,
Awesome.
figuring out what doesn't work or what's slow for him. And he's very much like me, super impatient. So he just starts wiping things away.
Aren't all of us entrepreneurs?
Right? Exactly.
So impatient.
Yeah. How about you guys?
I'm an engineer.
Cool.
Herman Miller. Good
Oh,
design.
no.
Oh, sweet, man.
That's sick. Yeah.
So you guys know who Herman Miller
Yes.
is?
Mr. Aaron.
Everybody wants an Eames chair.
Yeah, exactly.
Embody.
I found one on eBay for $250
What?
a few years ago.
Nuh-uh.
I swear to God.
No way.
It
Allowed?
wasn't real.
It wasn't
Uh,
real.
Oh,
I've
not
got the drafting height
Okay.
Aeron
Okay.
for my work desk.
Nice.
There's a drafting height one.
There's a drafting
yeah.
height one. It's
That's cool.
amazing.
Interesting.
So it basically all I have to do is like take a sort of a half cheek and from standing,
Interesting.
and it's really easy back and forth.
Oh,
So it's like I
cool.
can set my desk height and my chair height so that like it's easy to transition. So there's
That's
no
pretty cool.
friction between doing it.
Nice.
Awesome.
Because like if you have a standing desk but a low chair, you're
Yeah.
never standing at it.
We just talked about this last night.
Yeah.
I think I need to get myself a perch.
We can do that.
That's a good call.
I think you know a guy.
Yeah, I put a
Yeah.
walking pad under my standing desk, so I
Oh,
walk
nice.
most of the day.
Nice.
So it's like a treadmill type thing?
Yep, but it's
Yeah.
just super flat. There's no thing that comes up in the front,
Yeah.
and it folds, so I can't fold it up and drop my desk if I need to sit.
That's good idea.
So,
Pretty good.
Back
I do
model
little
shop.
balance.
You don't want to
Yeah.
walk while you're sitting.
I do the balance board at the
Oh, that's
standing
cool.
desk,
Nice.
which is nice.
I have one of those.
Yeah.
And I
Is it good for it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that thing worth it?
Oh well, actually, I guess I don't have one of those fancy ones. I just have an old cheap one that was at my parents' house.
Nice.
The speakers
Uses
on
Speakers
the
on the chair.
Oh, and someone's lit. That's
It's on the post.
So I think I've done everybody's
goodness.
name except yours.
David.
David.
Yeah.
What's the name of your shop?
finalREV.
finalREV.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
I'm Emily.
Jeez.
My company's called Marketing Metal, and I help small shops build their brands
Oh, sweet.
and websites.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good, Justin.
Nice to meet you.
And Paul, I guess I
We love
haven't
Paul.
gotten your intro on the camera yet. So.
Oh, sure. Well, yeah, I'm Paul Van Meter. I'm one of the founders of ProShop ERP. I used to own a machine shop myself and sold it, went into the business. So,
I guess I didn't get your name either.
Yeah, I'm Paul as well, Paul Clauss. I'm on the customer success team here at Toolpath. We're just here to help Dave.
That's the only thing it is.
And
One
the
of
rest
many
of the
customers.
shops.
One of many
Yeah.
customers.
And the rest of the
One of
shops.
those-
So, how many machines do you have? You were on with us last time, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. So yeah, how many machines do you have?
We have, let's see, 1, 2 with robot automation. We have a Datron's 3, Williman 4, wire EDM 5, some ancillary stuff, and lasers, not fiber, CO2 for rapid prototyping, and then 3D print stuff.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Where do you get most of your customers?
Actually, word of mouth. Number one, word of mouth, and then I do a lot of. I should do more. I shouldn't say I do a lot. I need to do more social media marketing. That's really where it's at.
Don't shit on yourself.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Make a goal and set a goal and do it.
Yeah, it's
Stay
just
consistent.
consistency. Yeah, it takes so much work.
The ones you do are great though.
Oh, well, thank you.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
It's like little spurts of
Very
energy.
engaging.
Okay, cool.
The trick is doing when you have those spurts of energy, recording a whole bunch and then scheduling it, so then you don't have to
See?
think about it.
Don't post them all in 1 week.
Yeah, exactly.
And I'm done.
Yep.
Yeah, don't do that. Okay.
Yeah, and then when you have those random ideas and you want to throw something up there, it's like bonus.
I like that. Okay. Yeah. What are your thoughts on using some of these AI editing tools to chop it up and automatically throw them up there?
Yeah, they're great. What's the one? Opal? So,
Yeah, Opal.
Cool.
no, Opal's my distraction app.
We used to.
How well does it work?
No, there's another one. Yeah,
I used to
Opus.
script.
Opus, that's it.
Opus.
Opus. I knew it was something. Yeah, that one's cool because you can throw in a long form and it'll chop it up for you.
Yeah.
I have kind of a team that does a lot of that stuff for me now, so.
There you go.
So I'm not actually the one doing it, but yeah, definitely. I mean, there's tons of AI tools out there that
Yeah.
make it really easy to take a great piece of content and turn it into a bunch of things.
Mm.
And it feels like, I'm sure you think this too, but like it feels like you say the same things over and over again, and like people are gonna get sick of your stuff because you're like using the same things. But there's always new people that are, you know, and any marketing message, you know, really you need to say it like multiple times to get people to actually resonate and remember it. So yeah.
Yeah, we use Riverside for all the podcasting and has a great tool that just makes little segments.
That's new.
So, yeah.
Kind of splits it up for you. Is that the same
Yeah.
one Dylan uses? Is that the one he was talking about?
I
was talking about his AI tool. That was really helpful.
Are we going all the way up?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been thinking of doing some like really high level 5-axis programming videos. Not necessarily like this is what I'm doing, but just like screen recording myself and talking through some of the things that I think about, which I don't really think will necessarily be a marketing
Yes.
tool.
Thank you.
But I think like if people are interested in find it very
Yeah, it's cool.
I know, it's cool.
1966.
Was it 66?
Break that video up into 5 different stages, setup, and like tools, things like that, because trying to sift through a long video, even if it has the breakup points, is a lot less. Like if I see a 35-minute video, even though it's something I want to watch, I know there's like a couple of snippets that I want to look for. So in doing that, do like, okay, this is the setup, the part, the getting the work holding, new video, setting up tooling, new video, roughing passes, and then new video, how to get to final and tabbing, because that'll really break things up in terms of the viewership. Like, you know, I would watch that, but please break it up.
Yeah, it's a good tip.
Just if you kind of speak your agenda at the beginning, it will, and then if you like prompt like, okay, now I'm gonna start on the setup section, it'll automatically split that for you and like give timestamps. It's been helpful for me because sometimes it's easier to sit down and just do stream of consciousness for half an hour.
That's what I'm
instead
good
of-
at.
Yeah, totally.
Please do a spree.
Okay, we'll see. I use Fusion, HyperMill, X, a little bit of a Spray, SprutCAM.
A lot of things.
Yeah, pretty much everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
80% of the market.
Yeah.
No SurfCam?
No, sir. No, thank you. No, thank you.
Do you serve?
Hell yeah.
Oh.
No, SurfCAM is a product that was bought by Axion.
Oh.
So why
I knew
is
that.
Well, some customers have preferences, and
Yeah.
some of them I just picked up over the years. When I was in college, I reached out to all these software companies, and most of them gave me free seats.
Yeah, educational.
So I learned all of them. Yeah, and now they're raking it in from me. Sure enough.
Sure enough.
Yeah.
So do you have licenses for each of those yourself?
Contract renewals right
See,
there.
and
Seriously.
I think about it in terms of how many Facebook Marketplace cars could I buy for the price of this. And depending on how cheap you want to go, it's a lot of Facebook Marketplace cars.
Yeah.
So how do you find customers?
Initially, it was through Instagram. I just started posting when I was like 12 or 13, all my woodworking and machining projects I was doing in my basement. And then I grew a following. And then when I announced that I was starting my company, people just started hitting me up. And at this point, I still get customers from Instagram, but it's mostly smaller jobs, a couple days here and there. And the rest is just word of mouth and getting to know people from all kinds of companies who sort of spread the gospel for me.
Yeah, sure.
I really don't do any marketing, any advertising.
Yeah.
Just nice.
Yeah, network is everything.
So what's your main industry? Like, who do you make?
I do
parts for?
everything. I have a local customer who we're making thousands of micro machine parts that can fit on the tip of a ballpoint pen. And I also have a customer in Utah that I'm doing 5-axis best fit alignment probing on a 90-inch diameter pipe casting.
Oh, wow.
So I do everything. Yeah.
Did you get into it with Formula SE?
So that was where I like really got deep into machining, but I grew up in the shop in my basement. And then I had a number of part-time and full-time jobs in college. I don't know if you know Logue in Buffalo, New York, the hydraulic actuator manufacturer. So I worked for them for 2 years during school. And then just grew from there. Yeah. And I worked at Renscott as well for 6 months.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Between what periods of time?
Right when I graduated school in May of 24. I worked there for 6 months, and then I had a customer who bought 1,000 hours of my time, and they moved me to
Wow.
change this time.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just did that event with them.
I had dinner with Noosh while she was there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
Super cool.
Yeah,
That was facility's incredible.
yeah. My dad designed that building. Well, he was part of it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's an architect.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. He sent me a video when they were still in production of the building, and they had all the tape laid out on the floors of all the machines. And he was like, "Do you know what this Grove G3 movie is?" I was like, "I sure do."
A nice machine.
Yeah.
So why did you have a machine shop in your basement, friend?
So I went to a woodworking and architecture kind of manufacturing summer camp in New Hampshire called Beam Camp. They also have a facility in New York. And that just got me really interested in making things with my hands. That was in, I think, 2011, 2012. And each summer they break it up into 2 halves, and in each half of the summer, the whole camp gets together and builds one giant project. So the 2 summers I was there, we built a 20-foot by 30-foot raft powered by a human-sized hamster wheel. So that was pretty cool. And then we built a 50-foot tall water slide powered by bicycles. So that got me really interested in making things in engineering.
Mm-hmm.
And then I just sort of came home and started using my dad's tools. He was like, "It's time for you to have a shop.
That's nice.
Have your own
Good
things."
support.
Yeah, that's super cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
What kind of machines did you have in the basement?
So it was all manual stuff. We had an old Bridgeport and an old South Bend.
Oh, nice.
Yep. When we moved into the house, the owner's wife had just passed, or the owner's husband, excuse me, and he was a model train builder.
Mm.
So we inherited all of his equipment and machinery. So
That's
it was
cool.
cool. It actually was in the dumpster. And then his wife was like, "You can just dig through there." So we got we rented an engine hoist and pulled all the shit out.
Wow. To think she was throwing it all away.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. I wasn't really even into it that much at that time, but my dad was like, "This will be valuable."
Yeah.
Yeah, very wise man.
Yeah.
How did you get your start?
Let's see. So I studied mechanical engineering, never practiced, and graduated right around .com time. And I founded an internet company, did some other stuff in startup land, and then 2001 happened. And I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do. Fast forward a little bit, I went to Harbor Freight one day, picked up a little X2 mini mill, and just figured out how to convert it to CNC, and that really just intrigued me. And the real turning point there was I threw up a Facebook ad one day, a Google ad, let it sit for 30 days, came back and says, "Oh, it's $10 here in my account." It's pretty wild. So me doing just like simple math, like, okay, I got 100 pages, I'm gonna start slapping ads everywhere. And in doing so, all that documented work, this is also around the time when a lot of folks were trying to do hobby CNC. This is before Tormach and all these guys. And the ad payments did pretty well. I wrote a PDF book on how to do your own conversions, and it basically afforded a lifestyle where I could, I'm still eating ramen noodles, but I can travel and visit factories and shops and just talk to people and interview. And that really is what spun this all up for me. Then finally, the hobby turned into a business. And
Here we
Dream,
are.
right?
there are times, but then had my own shop and shut it down. Went to work at a couple of hardware startup companies in the Bay Area, and that's effectively my journey. I love all this stuff, meeting cool people, talking shop, basically.
Yeah. Same.
How about
You
you?
went from a Harbor Freight mill
Harbor Freight.
to Williman. That's kind of the dream transition right
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
How many years between those?
Oh, many years, and many years of asking the same question. Hey, any deals? Any deals? I mean, I still ask everybody. My very first CNC was actually there's a industrial design company called IDEO in Palo Alto,
Oh, they're awesome.
right?
Yeah.
And they were
IDEO method?
no, IDEO, their ID shop, and they were converting their shop from Fadals to Haas's at the time. And I remember I knew nothing about three-phase power, knew nothing about industrial equipment. I mean, I was working 120 land, stuff I can move myself in the back of a Jeep. Yeah, you plug in a wall and you're up and running. Super hobby, right? And I was sitting at a coffee shop with a couple buddies, and I put in a snipe bid for one of their Fadals, the VMC 20, in fact. And I'm sitting there and I heard the snipe ding, which basically said that I had won the auction. And I don't know if you ever felt excitement and panic at the same time. It was basically that. Like,
Yeah.
oh shit, what am I doing now? Yeah.
Very familiar with that.
We had a mock IDEO thing in high school called the IDEO project, where we found a community cause that we could build an engineering solution for.
Yeah.
And we've implemented it.